This is remote RGBW function. Set receivers as RGBW type by dip switch. RGB channel off. RGB channel on. Long press plus rotating to change RGB channel colors. Anti-clockwise rotating to gradually dim down brightness. Clockwise rotating to dim up brightness. Double short click to change RGB channel dynamic modes. There are total 8 type dynamic modes. Anti-clockwise to speed down the dynamic changing speed. Clockwise rotating to speed up the changing. Long press for 2 seconds, switch RGB channel to W. W channel off. W on. Anti-clockwise rotating to dim down W channel brightness. Clockwise rotating to dim up W channel. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-pieces receivers could be controlled at the same time.